Zoo in Kaunas city, or there is another name, Lithuanian zoo. Why Lithuanian? Because this is the only zoo in the Republic. So it was opened officially in 1938. At that time there were only 40 animals. Now the park is rather big, not so big, not so like in compare with another European zoos, but very compact, let's to say. Just want to tell you, to remark that the video will be very short. Why? Because the zoo is now closed on the reconstruction. It was closed in the middle of 2021, and the government, the local authorities, is going to open it, the doors in April 2023. So I hope that after reconstruction the zoo will be much more better. Why? For example, aquarium. You see this I call them old style or also yet style aquarium. Because you know, if you visited such aquariums in other European zoos, you know they are much better and much better equipped, let's to say. Another way that in very often cases it's very difficult to observe animals. For example, if some animal goes to feed and you cannot see it. But on the other hand, in the zoo there was all the things which must be in the zoos of such kinds. For example, the pond, the pelicans, giraffes, zebras. Or for example, giraffe. Yeah, giraffe is feeding now, and you see him backside only. Yes. And I think the ideas of to observe animals is old style of design. So I hope after the modernization, after the reconstruction, the access to the animals will be much better. Or for example here, I don't know why the administration of the zoo, they cannot add more water. Why? It's summertime. It's very strange for me. So I hope the Kaunas zoo will be much more better.